Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and I'm back. I am back with a crochet toy hammock free pattern. I think this is adorable. I really do. This actually reminds me a lot of a pattern that I had in the January series. The January series was all about how to organize your yarn stash, and there was a very similar idea in that. It was like a hammock, but it was for your yarn, and you could totally use this in the same way. So this is a great toy hammock. It's called, I'm sorry. This is a great pattern by traversebaycrochet.com. And I love how it looks. It's really cute. Okay, so this pattern is available for sale on Ravelry or on Etsy, but you can certainly get the free pattern right here on the website. So it looks like she used Lily Sugar and Cream 100% cotton. She used a J-size hook or a 6mm. She also needed a blunt needle and some plastic wall hooks, like command strip type like wall hooks. Looks like it's pretty simple. I only see chain and double crochet as far as stitches go. And like I said, the pattern is right here. So yeah, this looks like a really fun idea, especially if you've got a little one who loves their plushies, or even an older one who likes their plushies, or you want to store your yarn, right? It's a great idea for that. So let me know in the comments below. Is this something you'd like to give a try? I don't know. Looks like a fun idea. If my son still, had plushies, I'd probably consider it. He's a little old for that now. Yeah, if you'd like to make this, go ahead and click in the link in the description box below. It's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. Find the picture, click on that. It's going to take you right to the pattern. All right, everybody. I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am, and I'll see you tomorrow with another great idea. Until then, keep on hooking. Bye-bye.